Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new poem. Walk a little slower. Open your textbook, page number 3. Walk a little slower. According to the title of the poem, we find somebody is requesting to someone. Walk a little slower. Means title begin with the verb, means it is the imperative sentence, and here is the writer or the poet is doing the request to somebody. Now I am going to read the poem. You listen it carefully. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps, and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Someday, when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. And author of this poem is unknown. Means here is not given the name of the poet. Means poet is the unknown. Now you have to read the poem silently within 5 minutes. Read it silently. Now I read first and you read after me. Say, walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps, and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Someday, when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. So here is a little boy in the poem, and he is requesting to his father, you walk smart, you walk slow. Why he is requesting? Because the boy in the poem is so small and he is unable to follow the footsteps of his father. When he tries to walk with his father, means there is the danger or there is the possibility, means he can fall, and he does not like to fall. Therefore he requests to his father, you walk slowly, you walk slower. Sometimes his father's steps are very fast, and sometimes it is going difficult to the boy, means to see it, and therefore he is requesting to his father to walk slowly. And he is telling his father, because you are leading me, I am coming after you, you are my leader and I am follow you. You know, every child has the guide or the hero, and the child's heroes are his parents. Most of the children, they follow their father and mother. So here is the boy in the poem. He is going to follow his father. His father is a leader and he is leading to his child. And therefore the boy in the poem requesting to his father. He is thinking, a boy in the poem is thinking, someday means I will be also grown up. And means what I want to be. Then when I will be grow up, I have also a little child. Means I will be a father now you are my father, but after some days or after grown up, I will be also the father of somebody, and my child also want to follow me. Therefore, means I am taking the lesson. I am learning many things from you. So whatever I learn from you, I will teach that to my child. Therefore, the boy in the poem is requesting to his father. And always I think from you, you would live just right. And you must know that may be true. Therefore, Daddy, you walk slowly because I am following you. Because you are my ideal, you are my hero. So, here is a very simple poem, and a boy in the poem is requesting his father. Here is given the rhyming scheme A, B, C, B. In the first line, not a rhyming with another line, but the second and the fourth line is a rhyming with each other. Therefore, the sentence rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B. And here are some rhyming words: small, fall, C, me, B, me, true, you. Here is given some questions by the side of the poem on the page. What would happen if the child tried to walk fast, and why? So read the poem silently and attend this question. Find the answer of this question from the poem. Then here is given the 4 questions. You have to read this question and find the answers from the poem. Then attend the English workshop on the same page. First activity is read the poem aloud. You have to read the poem loudly. After that, you have to attend another activity. Put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. So read the poem and attend all these activities. And if any activities find difficult to you, you can ask me. Okay.